Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the feature because Windows 10 does not have it on by default. Press Windows plus V and a small prompt appears. Click Turn On so Windows will store copied items. Make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account if you want sync across devices. This saves time and keeps the same clips on another PC. Once done, practice copying a short line of text. Then press Windows plus V again to confirm the history list populates, and now learn how to use the history efficiently. Press Windows plus V to open the Clipboard pane. Click any item to paste it into the active app. Pin items you reuse often by selecting the pin icon. Pinned clips remain after clearing history. To remove clutter, hover over an entry and choose Delete, or use Clear All to start fresh. Make sure to test pasting into different apps. Some secure apps block clipboard access, so confirming behavior prevents surprises. Finally, set up sync and handle common problems. Open Settings System Clipboard to toggle sync across devices on. This shares clips using your Microsoft account. If items stop appearing, turn clipboard history off, restart, then turn it back on to reset the service. Also verify that Windows is up to date. Missing updates can hide features. If sync fails, sign out and sign back into your Microsoft account. This refreshes permissions and often restores clipboard history functionality quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.